This is part of the Web Lab 1. The team includes Blake, Syed, and Gautam. We are here. We have developed a student profile page where the student can enroll to the list of courses and see what's in the library catalog. Sign in, sign up. New users can sign in, and certain users can sign up. And we also used MongoDB Atlas, where you can, if you have the connection string, like if you have the connection string like the one which you have had here, any user will be able to connect to this database. And that's how we collectively did this job and working from different systems using this cloud structure of the MongoDB. And for the backend part, we have used Mongoose for creating the databases, creating the collection structures, and we have used Express, Node, and Angular, and Bootstrap and Angular Material for the rich front end visualization. And we'll go ahead and start with our application. We have login, log, sign up, and this is based on one of the key features is like we've used tokens and cookies to transfer the data between front end and back end, and this helped us in creating some of the blocks where you'll see like if the user is logged in, then only he'll be able to create or search for the books or something like that. I will show you that in a couple of minutes. We'll go ahead and log in. This is how the thing looks like once we logged in. The courses enrolled, which will show the user like what courses he has enrolled. This is coming dynamically from the database. As you can see, the course ID is 3 and the department is computer science. The subject is database management systems. It has few of descriptions like what about the course content and the student enrollment. You can see the same thing here with respect to the users. As you can see, the user has this is a course enrollment array where it'll dynamically come and store whenever the user enroll for the new courses. But as of now, the student is enrolled only for course with ID 3, so that's how he has only current enrolled courses as just one. So these are the rest of the courses which are available like IoT, web, mobile. They have different course IDs, and you can see the enrollment is no sense. These are the rest of the courses which are offered. If the user wants to go ahead and enroll to one of the courses, as you can see, once you click on enroll, it will come and add it to your enroll list of courses. Now the web mobile has become as one of the courses which the student can do it. We'll go ahead and try to add some few IoT advanced operating systems. Now there are only 2 left in courses offered. Now we can see this how it gets updated here. We have few announcements like as of now we are trying to get these values from the database, but we'll try to uh, in future things we can try to create an option where we can create an announcement and send it across the users. But as of now, these values are getting from the database and getting displayed here. And coming to the next block, where is the books catalog, where you'll have the list of all the books in the library. As of now, we are just for temporary purpose we just created one book, but if you want to create and add a new entry, you can use it anytime like this. And if you can set the availability like yes or no, and these are some of the cool features which I have tried to use using the Angular material and the Angular material, and these are some of the validation checks which it tries to pop up and ask the user to enter the required things. Publisher, and now we'll try to give a no and save this. So this will be saved in this list now. So if you want to edit some of the book information, you can go and edit the book information. Now I'm just trying to change the status to yes and mark this as 2000 and save it, and you can come and see it says changed to 2000, availability yes and everything. So if you want to delete any book entry, you can go ahead and delete. You can do all the things only if you're able to enter into the application. We have also provided a tab here for the new entry, and this is a chat which is an upcoming thing which you're trying to do, and you can try to log out. Now as you can see, you will be able to still see this information and everything here, but if you want to edit, it'll ask you to log in, because that is one of the security features which you've used by using the authentication guards in the Angular, where we'll try to set the routing parameters for few items, where if you want to create a new entry or anything like that, and if you want to edit the books, or if you want to delete something from the catalog, the user will should and must and log in and then proceed with the application. That is how we did that. And coming to the and yeah, this is how we have in the header component. We are basically trying to change it dynamically based on whether user is logged in or not, because once the user is logged in, we try to show the information which is relevant to log once it's logged in. As you can see the add book, search and logout. Based on that, we have placed all such cool features in this part. And if you click on logout, you can see that it's back to normal and everything goes back to the home page and login and sign up. It'll ask you to sign up. You can see one of the features like to sign up. The user can sign up, as you've seen. Majors, computer science, login. As you can see, one of the features here is like this. With this user ID, the user is already created. GCKP. So our application is restricting us to create a new one. So I'll go ahead and delete this, and we have another one here. I'll go ahead and delete this as well. So now you have 0 with the user. So now we'll try to log in and see. It has successfully created, and it will automatically direct us to the login page. And this is how you enter into this page. Now you can see the username is changed, which you are getting from the backend, and we are creating this token, and it has certain expiration date, it has the department and everything. With the help of these username and these tokens, we'll try to get the courses which the student is enrolled. As you can see, this user is freshly created, and he didn't have any courses enrolled before. The courses enrolled column is empty, and the courses offered is completely full. Now we'll go ahead and see and go ahead and add it. Now you can see the enrolled courses here. That's how we're getting it from the database and trying to show it dynamically here. And yeah, that's all for the task. Thank you.